Alright, so guys, we have this question to solve from Maths Olympiad. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. Now, this question says root of x minus root of 2 is equal to 2. How do I approach this question? Now, you're seeing the way you have x on one side. Now, I want to maintain this status quo. We want to keep x on one side and cross this, okay, root of 2 to the opposite side of the equal sign. We want to demarcate x, that is what we don't know, from what we actually know, which is this and this. Alright? Now, doing this will simply be to subtract this from both sides. Now, we can say minus root 2 plus this. Then we have minus root 2 on this side. Minus root 2 will take this, so we are left with root of x to be equal to 2 minus root of x. Sorry, 2 minus root of 2. Okay, so simply put x on one side and put the known parts to an extent on one side. But then the question says we should find x and not square root of x. So what we simply do is to raise this side to the power of 2 and raise this side to the power of 2. Okay, so that we have a square root and a square sign, so the two of them will strike each other out. So we have this taking this. Now we are left with x to be equal to 2 squared is 4. Now minus this times this is 2 root 2 times 2 is 4 root 2. Right, that's a math hack. Now this squared is plus 2. Remember what I told you, that the square root sign and the square can easily cross each other out. At this point, we have this, alright, and it seems that we are done, but we have to simplify this further. So we have that x is equal to 4 plus 2, which is 6, minus 4 root 2. Okay, hence, or otherwise, we have that x is equal to, now, looking at this, it seems that the answer is complete, but we have to factorize this answer in the simplest form possible. Okay, so we have that 2 can factor out here to give me 6 divided by 2 is 3, minus 4 divided by 2 is 2, root 2. Hence, this is the answer for x in the simplest form. Thanks for watching. If you made it to the end, please like, comment, subscribe. Till then, peace.